This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can change the remote controller signal last action in this drone. So at the start, you will need to enter the camera feed of the DJI Go app. Next, launch settings by pressing those three horizontal dots. Then select the first category, that is the MC settings. Here, scroll all the way to the bottom and open advanced options. Here, once again, you will need to scroll down just a little bit and look for the RC signal loss selection. And now tap over here to select what action you would like for your drone or for your aircraft to perform once the connection between the aircraft and remote controller is lost. And the options are return to home, land, or hover. So just select your preferred behavior, and well, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.